at the STEM level, at STI level, we are experiencing gender gaps, especially in terms of number of women researchers. If you compare the number of researchers compared men and women, you find that the overall number of women researchers across the country is across 30%, around 30%. This is for according to the latest data that we have. So you can see that women are underrepresented, and this is especially in the areas that are related to STEM, in the sense that if you check the number of women academic staff in the mining and earth sciences, you find that women are only 17%. Information and communication studies, this is 22%. Physical sciences and mathematics, 24%. And engineering is 23%. So you see that in the STEM fields, women are highly underrepresented. The country at large, there have been numerous interventions for the last 20, even more years. So at all levels, there have been efforts to promote women, girls, to take STEM subjects, done directly by the ministry responsible, but also in collaboration with professional organizations that are supporting STEM initiatives. And that it shows a good increase, remarkable increase in terms of university enrollment for girls in all subjects, but also in STEM subjects. We, as the Tanzania Commission for Science, we have been conducting numerous interventions, both at the pre-university level, but also at the research level. Our system has special grants and initiatives, programs that we work with various stakeholders to promote STEM, to support STEM initiatives at the secondary schools. But also in terms of research organizations and universities, you find that we have different policies, frameworks that we have recently introduced over the last 10 years. We issued a national framework for mainstreaming gender in research and innovation. And the framework has specific areas that is targeting. For instance, we are targeting to increase the number of women researchers by promoting career development, and we do so by through the framework. The framework encourages that all research institutions, all university institutions, and to provide a favorable environment for the women to conduct their research. And this is after evidence showing that some of women researchers drop before they go far in their career for reproductive reasons, for other challenges that are related to the workplace. So we encourage such initiatives like having the infrastructure being more favorable to women. For instance, what if there are the university levels and the research organizations, there is spaces that can accommodate women with reproductive needs, for instance, places where they can rest to feel comfortable, or they can bring their babies along to be there, but also the policies to reconsider ways of accommodating and compensating women with reproductive roles. For instance, in our granting system at COSTECH, we have this research innovation grants manual, and the grants manual is very clear about that. It stipulates that when women and men researchers compete and they have the equal scores, then the woman will be considered for the grants compared to the man. This is only to increase the number of women in accessing to the research resources. But we have also established a special window. Women PIs compete, and it's only women competition. We did so in 2023. We issued a call, women competed, and we managed to get 4 projects led by women, and the projects are going well. So that opportunity is already integrated as a formal procedure in our granting system. So we are doing such initiatives to encourage more women into STEM fields, but also in the overall number of researchers. The impact we have now is it is the knowledge, and also it is the attitude change or the skills enhancement, because when we are conducting the training, we started with the pre-test, uh, testing the knowledge of the trainees, all of them, including COSTECH staff and those coming from higher education and then research organization, but the reviewers themselves, some of them were completely, they didn't know much, or they had very few and very little understanding even to the basic on the basic concepts. When we conducted the training, then we did a post-training evaluation. The evaluation was very impressive.